Welcome, here I've got OPPO RENO 5 Lite, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we can open camera settings, and now let's tap to composition. At the last place here we have level, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. When we move back to the camera preview, we get access to leveler here at the center. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture, and as you can see, when this plus is on yellow color, we can be sure that we hold it steady and straight. And of course, when we don't need leveler, we have to move back to right corner settings, tap to composition and turn it off here from the right. So for now in the preview it has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.